you can able to solve your multiplication in few seconds. And please see this video till end so that you will be able to understand all the tricks efficiently. Now let's begin. So the first point in this video I would like to say that this trick is only applicable when our numbers are near to 100. So today I am going to discuss the three types of questions. Like the first type is when the number is greater than 100 or it nearest to 100. Like I have taken one example. It's 107 multiplied by 105. Now see how to get the multiplication in few seconds. First what we have to do, we have to just see we have to take base as 100. So as we know that we are going to do multiply which the numbers which are nearer to 100. So we have taken base as 100 and we can see that 107 is greater than 100 by only 7. So we write 7 here, and 105 is greater than by 5. So we write 5 here. Now what we will do? What we have to do from here? We have to add 5 to 107 or 105 or add 7 to 105. We can do either of the things. So just suppose I am adding 107 plus 5, which will give 112, and the next what we will do, we will just multiply these two numbers, we will get 35. So this is our multiplication. Now let's look another example like this. This is the example 103 multiplied by 112. So what we will do, we will just first look that how much it is greater than that of the 100. So it is 3 and this is 12. Now what we will do, we will just add this to this. So we will 103 plus 12 is equals to 115, and what we will do next, we will just multiply these two numbers. So we will get 36. So this is how we get the multiplication like this type of questions. Now next next example is here it is 15, here it is 9. We will add this number to this. We will get 124, and after multiplying this we will get 135. Now what we will do here? Here we getting for this 3 digits. So this digit will add into this. So we will get 12535 as the answer. So what we have to do? We have to remember that after this at this place we just have only 2 numbers. If we are getting 3 numbers, then that number should be added to the corresponding number to it. So now this is our type 1 in which we have to do addition. Now come to part type 2 in which we have to do the subtraction. So as you can see here also we will take base 100, but here what we have to do, we have to subtract. So here we will here the first example is 98 multiplied by 97. So here if we subtract 100 by if we subtract 98 from 100, then we will get 2, and here we will get 3. So now what we will do, either you subtract this from here or this. So I am taking this one. So 98 minus 3, we will get 95, and what we will do, we will just multiply these two numbers, we will get 6. So our answer is 9506. At this place we should have 2 numbers, so that is why we have added 0 here in middle. Now just let's look another example. Here if we subtract 92 from 100, we will get 8, and this we will get 6. So we will subtract this from this, we will get 86, and what we will do next is we will just multiply these into this, we will get 48. So we will get 8648. Now let's look up another example. Here what we will do, here 12, it is less than 12 and it is 9. Now we will multiply 9 from 88. We will get this, and if we multiply this into this, we will get 108. Again here we are getting 3 digits, so we will add 1 to here and we will get 8008 as the multiplication. So this is how we do the type of questions in which we have to do subtraction. So you just pause the video and try to solve this type of questions so that you can able to understand how to do it. Now come to the next type, which is type third, and here we have to see that if one number is less than 100 and another is greater than 100, then this type of trick will use. How it will be used, then let's see. What here it is less than 3 and it is less than 100, means we will get 3, and here it is 1 greater than 100. So what we will do now, we will just either add 97 plus 1 or we will subtract this from here. So either we will subtract from here and add here. You can choose either of the way. So I am choosing adding. So 97 plus 1 is 98. And now what we have to do? We have to put 2 zeros here, and then we have to multiply these number. 3 into 1 is 3. We will now subtract. So this is our answer for this type of questions. Now let's see another example. Here it is less than 5 and here it is, we can put sign also here, and here it is greater than 5. So what we have to do, we have to just know that in this we have to this add, and here minus. You can choose either of the thing. I am choosing adding. So here we will add 100, and now what we have to do, we have to multiply these two. This is 5 into 20, 5 into 5 is 25. So I am putting again 20 here and minus 25. We will get 9975. So this is our answer. Now again let's have another example. Here it is 8. Here it is 3. Here we will add. So we will get 95. And we will put 2 zeros, we will multiply, 8 into 3 is 24, we will subtract from here 10, 6, 9, 2, 7, 4. So this is our answer. So this is how we do the multiplication in these types of questions. So just see this video 2-3 times so that you can able to understand it better, and just do practice for these types of questions so that you can solve it within a second. So I hope you understood it, and if you have understood or if you have liked this video, just do like and subscribe, and also share to others, and take care. Thanks for watching.